Assalamu alaikum. How are you everyone? In this video I will show you how to add a painting to your Revit file, a real painting, which is a picture that you can get from outside and import it inside Revit. Here in this project I have these three frames where I want to add a painting inside. But if you don't have these, you can do one thing. You can create a model in place. It's like a wall, and then add your painting. Because if you just add your painting here directly on the wall, it won't show. You need another layer to place your painting on it. The technique we're going to use is called Decals, which is here, insert decal. But before we go to this, let's try out modeling in place. We'll choose walls, of course, architecture component, model in place, then walls. Okay, and you need to set your plane. Pick a plane, and I'll select this wall. Okay, just create random extrusion on the wall to add my painting on it, and I'll show you why we are doing this step. As I told you, it won't be placed on the wall directly. You need to create like a layer. Let's make the thickness as 0.8 for example, and just stick. And as you can see, no, I think it's still thick. Let's make it 5. Okay, it's fine. And we have this painting now. It's a model in place component. Let's insert a decal. You go to insert, decal, and place decal. This menu will show. You have to create a new decal and name it. Let's name it painting, for example. And you can choose the source where you want to get your painting from. I have a folder here, and let's choose for this one, for example. Okay, you can control these things also if you want to add a bump pattern, another image, but not for now. We'll just go okay. By mistake, I'll just make it realistic to be shown. No, it's not added. Okay, now you can add it here, for example. Of course, we can control the size data and add it here. Okay, and if we add it here on the wall directly, okay, for this painting it's added, but for other, I tried another one, it wasn't shown. I don't know why, but anyway, if you want your model to look realistic, you need at least a frame or something. Now this picture is square, so maybe this one should be like a square also, like this, for example. And your painting is here, and if you make any rendering, it will be shown in your rendering. That's one thing you can do with decals. I think that you can do much more things with decals, but this is what I have for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comments.